Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. And if you're seeing me for the first time, guys, please subscribe to my channel and also press the little bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload the video. So as per the title, I have guessed today's video is a taboo video. So if you are someone who does not like talking on this topic, you can go now only. But if you're a boy or girl, if you are interested in hygiene, interested in creating less pollution, you can continue. So without further ado, let's get started. Like childhood, I have been using pads, and then when I completed my graduation, I came to know about tampons. So I tried tampons. I did not like it. Maybe I'll tell you in my next videos why I did not like it. I always wanted to use menstrual cups since really long time. Now I just got my hand on this menstrual cup, which is like changed my perspective of periods. Let's get started with the first thing. I did not went for a particular brand basically. I just ordered a menstrual cup of my size. Like there are sizes in menstrual cups. Like before you delivered a child, after you deliver a child, so the size changes. Basically, what is this menstrual cup? When as per the name menstrual cup, this is used in periods. How do we use it? We insert it into the like when you are on periods. This thing, this lower part, this is to pull in and pull out for the comfort. This is where the blood gets stored. This was the basic idea of menstrual cup. All the questions which I first I thought, will it pain, will it be uncomfortable? So yes, initially for the first 2 days it was uncomfortable. Basically how it works, it collects the blood. We are habituated to the feeling of blood getting soaked in and into the pad and like that. It was little bit uncomfortable for me. First I thought, oh my god, it's not blocking my the blood flow, it won't do any harm. For the first 2 days for me it was little uncomfortable, but I tried. I was like, let's see how it goes. For the first day I did not wanted to use it at all because it was very uncomfortable, only because of the blood flow reason. I was very scared that if it's blocking the blood or I'll get infection and all. So the idea is to every time you use it, you just wash it with the towel, sanitize it nicely, keep it in a box. Next time also use it and sanitize it and keep it. It's very easy and it saves the cost of pads and also the pollution which we are creating. And it's not hygienic to use pads for many reasons. Like you can't keep it for a longer time, but for night we have to keep it for 8-9 hours, which is not hygienic. There are many chemicals which you are putting it near to your hygienic area. Like from the second day I got like, okay, slowly the blood start coming into this. So I was like, okay, it's working right. So basically, if you're going for menstrual cup, the one thing you need to keep in mind is the sizes. And the second most asked question is not sexually active women, if they can use it or not. Consult your gynae first. Even if you're sexually active and if you're doubtful about it, consult your gynae if you should use it or how you should use it. This was my experience of menstrual cup. I really like it. I can do my part of controlling the pollution. It takes so much time to recycle a pad or decompose, so not good. Cup lasts you about like minimum 3 to 4 years. Like some people claim it's lasts 10 years, but again it can't keep it for 10 years. Like 3 to 4 years it will go for sure. And the cost of this will range around 400 to 600 depending on the brand. And keep your size in the mind, and they have only two to three sizes, and which accommodates with every member. If you're into physical activity or if your movement is too much, you can't avoid it. You can do your activity with this very carefully. You don't need to care, and it's very easy to clean and put it again. You don't need to carry extra pair of pads. Again, it's very carry